is the disturbing thing. It's the pull hair door. I am pulling it because there's something. First, go to the thing stage. It's so hard. Oh my god, cheap is the board.
Worth of avocados from his tree. The neighbor says they were on his side. The judge agreed.
Because I think he is gonna push me too. That is super funny, guys. Okay, so we're almost at the pink tower. We're almost at the pink stage. Okay, so it's disappearing. Okay, so why is she super terrible? Okay. So, oh no, I freaking fall. Let's go. You can see this is moving when I move. See? It's so
Hindi naman, baka may mangyari pang iba sa'yo.
okay. We need to go to the pink stage.
Okay lang.
Let's go. Okay. So that is not the secret.
Meron din gold na.